Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pure Biology, and today I come with another video obviously related to biostatistics. And before going to this topic, I want to say that I have already explained different topics related to the biostatistics, so you just check out that videos. And obviously I am very thankful to all of you who have already subscribed my channel. Okay, so today's topic is the standard deviation. So let's continue. The today's topic is standard deviation. This is another topic related to the biostatistics. Okay, and this standard deviation, or you can say in the short form SD. Clear? Standard deviation or SD. This is the term that is established by Carl Pearson in 1893. Okay, so who is the inventor of this topic SD? That is Carl Pearson, and it is used in studying the dispersion. Okay, studying the dispersion, and it is the base in all observations. Even the observation is changed, then SD also changes. Okay, 1 second. So what is that? This SD is the best in all observations. That means from mean, mode, median, and another term. So this is very important. Why it is important? Because it is used in judging the representation mass of the mean. That means when we just take some numbers and then we just deduce the x bar or the mean. So in that case some error may be there. Okay, so for this studying the error or finding the error, we have to calculate the SD of the mean. Okay, SD. So it is that is helping in judging the mean. Okay, in judging the mean, if the mean is correct or not. Okay, for the all observations. So that's why this SD is based, you can term, or based on all observations, means the calculation of SD is very important for collecting or for seeing the error. So that's why this is very important. And if any observation is changed, somehow any observation, there are number of observations. So if there is any changes in occur in one observation, so that means the SD also changes. Okay, this is the important factor, you can say, and it is the least affected by the fluctuations of the sampling. Okay, so error, it is generally, this SD is generally not affected by any error easily, but standard error is there. I will explain after that. So but error is very small. Okay, so fluctuations of sampling is not creating any effect or any impact on SD. So what is the formula of the SD, or how to calculate SD? The sigma equals to root over of summation of x minus x bar whole square by n. Okay, x minus x bar whole square by n. So here x is the observations and x bar, that is the mean, and n is the number of observations. Clear? This is the actual formula of calculating SD, or standard deviation. And coefficient of the SD is how to calculate. This is the sigma divided by x bar. That means SD, the ratio of SD and arithmetic mean or mean. Okay, so this is the formula by which we can calculate the coefficient of SD. So this is actually very brief explanation of standard deviation, and now we will try to calculate problem where we have to find out the standard deviation. Okay, so first I rub it and then I will explain. So here is one problem is that find the SD for the following distribution. sorry for the disturbance. So these are the observation 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So first you have to find out what is the x bar. X bar means 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20 plus 21 divided by, what are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once again, I just check out 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is missing, so you have to write here 15. Okay, then 16, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So write here 11. Okay, so what is the answer here? The answer is, the total addition of this number is 176. 176. 176 divided by 11 equals to, what is the number? That is 1 and 6. So 16. So how to calculate mean? Okay, I want to say that I have already make a video or uploaded a video that is related to mean, arithmetic mean. So you check out also that video. So this is x bar. In simple series, just we have to add these numbers and then divide with the number of observation. So here the numbers are 11, 12, 13, 14 up to 21 and the number of observation is 11. So what is the value of the x bar? That is the total number divided by 11, so 16. And now here the n number, that is 11, and x minus x bar, that is the equation. There is a d square by n. D square is nothing but the x minus x bar whole square. Okay, x minus x bar whole square, and n is 11. So first we have to calculate what? X minus x bar. So x bar is 16. So 16 minus 11. 16 minus 16 not. Here we have to write 11. 11 minus 16, 12 minus 16, 13 minus 16, 14 minus 16, 15 minus 16, 16 minus 16, 17 minus 16, 18 minus 16, 19 minus 16, 20 minus 16 and 21 minus 16. Now we put the values. Okay. Now we put the values. So this is minus 5, this is minus 4, this is minus 3, this is minus 2, this is minus 1, this is 0, and here 1 plus 1, this is plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and plus 5. Okay, and just calculate by squaring this. First one is 25, then 16, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, then 4, 9, 16 and 25. Okay. So summation of d square equals to 110. Okay. Summation of d square equals to 110. Okay. Now just put here the values. D square equals to 110 and divided by 11. We have to write it, not just like that. Okay, so here the value is root over of 10, so value is 3.16. Okay, so the SD value is what? The SD value is 3.16. It is very easiest problem because here the numbers are written in very easy way or in a simple series, you can say. So that's why the calculation is very easy. Just you calculate the d value and squaring the d square value, then you just find out the summation of this square and just write here the values. Then you will get the SD value. So this is the calculation of how to find out SD. Okay. Now we will learn how to calculate this SD value in complex series. Okay, in complex series. Okay, so this is one problem. Here the observations are this and F is this. So here we follow another rule, that is the shortcut method by which we calculate the x bar or mean. Okay, so this is the shortcut method by which we have to calculate first x bar, and this is obviously easiest method because in complex cases we cannot follow the previous formula. So this is easiest way by which we can calculate the x bar. Okay, so A is the actually the assumed mean. Okay, suppose these are the numbers. Okay, these are the numbers, and from these number we have to take one number as the assumed mean. Okay, so here I will take this 13 number as the assumed mean. Okay, 13 number as assumed mean. So I just write here A equals to 13. Clear? And now we have to calculate the D value. So D equals to 10 minus 13, that is minus 3. 11 minus 13, that is minus 2. 12 minus 13, that is minus 1. 13 minus 13 is 0. 14 minus 13 is plus 1. 15 minus 13 is plus 2. And 16 minus minus 13, this is 3. Clear? Plus 3. So after that we have to calculate FD. FD means the multiplication of F and D. Okay, the product is FD. So just multiply that. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 2 into 7 minus 14. Minus 1 into 12 minus 12. Then sorry, not 12. This is 11. Okay, minus 2 and 7, this is minus 14. Minus 3 and 2, this is minus 6. Okay, minus 1 and 11 is minus 11. Then 0 into 15 is 0. Then 1 into 10, that is 10. 2 into which one? This is, I think so. This is 2 into 4, that is 8. And 3 into 1, that is 3. Clear? So just I'm checking. Minus 6, minus 14, 11, then 0, then 10, 8, 3. Okay. So the summation of FD, that is equals to minus 10. Clear? Summation of FD, that is equals to minus 10. And here we have to write N value, that is summation of F equals to 50. Summation of F equals to 50. Now we have to calculate FD square. FD square means F into D square, means squaring of this number and multiplied with F. Clear? So first value is 18. Second value is 28. Third value is 11. Fourth value is 0. Okay, sorry for disturbation. Sorry. Okay, let's continue. Next one 10. Next one 16. Then 9. Clear? Just 6. F into D square means F into multiplied by D square. So 3 3s are 9. 9 into 2, that means is 18. 2 2s are 4 into 7, that is 28. 1 ones are 1, then multiplied by 11 is 1. Then 0, and you just squaring 0 is 0, so 15 multiplied by 0 is 0. 1 square means 1 into 10, that is 10. Okay. 2 square means 4, and 4, this is 16. 3 square means 9, into 1, that is 9. Clear? So these are the values of fd square. Now you have to write here the summation of fd square, that is equals to, adding by these numbers, answer is 92. Okay. So after calculating this, we have to calculate it now x bar, actual mean. It is the assumed mean, that is 13 is the assumed mean. So we have to calculate the actual mean. So actual mean is, by putting the values, 13 plus summation of fd is minus 10 and n is 15. Okay. So here the value is 13 minus 0.2. Okay, 0.2. So here the answer is 12.8. This is the actual mean. How to calculate actual mean? By assuming one number from the observation as the assumed mean, and after this we are calculating the exact mean. Okay, next, by putting the values, we have to calculate SD. So summation of fd square is what? That is 92. N is 50 minus summation of fd is minus 10 by 50 square. Okay. So 92 by 50, the answer is 1.84 minus 0.2 square. Okay, 0.2 square, and the number is actually 1.84 minus 0.04. So answer is root over of 1.80, and that is 1.342 approx. Okay, so this is the value. Okay, and this is obviously minus is there. After squaring, the minus sign become removed. And here, taking the assumed mean, you must take obviously the number that is during the subtraction, the minus number must be greater. Okay, minus number must be greater. So in that cases, the calculation becomes so easy. Or you can say the numbers, the fluctuations of the number, if the minus number is greater, like that minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 4, minus 5, but the positive numbers, these are lesser. So in that case, the calculation is easy. Okay, so you just during doing this sum, you just try to take the number by which when you subtract this, then the number of minus this will be much. Okay, that means this calculation, during calculation, this will be greater. Simple what? This will be greater than the positive number. So calculation becomes so easy. So this is the process by which we will totally understand how to calculate that the mean value and the SD value. Okay, so again I repeat, first we have to take the x minus a means assumed mean, and assumed mean is taking from this observation, and then d is x minus a. So just calculating the x number by subtracting with a the d values, and after that we have to calculate fd value, and then summation of fd is must be there, and then after that the fd square we have to calculate. Okay, and here just formula is that, and the mean is the formula of mean is that. So just putting the values we have to calculate the actual mean, and by putting the values we have to calculate the SD. So you understood all. This is the process of complex problem where we have to calculate SD value. Clear? So continue with me. There are different types of problem we will try to discuss in my next videos. So continue with me and my channel. So thank you.